Hello everyone, welcome to College Deco's exclusive AP MSET exam analysis. So in this video, we will do a very quick review of Shift 2 exam that happened on August 23rd, and also we will do a detailed review of whole day 2 exam, both Shift 1 and Shift 2. So let's go into Shift 2 quick analysis. According to the primary feedback received from students, the overall difficulty level of the paper was moderate only. Compared to Shift 1 exam, Shift 2, I got a positive feedback where students said the paper was moderate. But in the Shift 1, students reported that the paper was moderately difficult, above average in terms of difficult, but Shift 2 was better. And when it comes to physics section, in both shifts, both Shift 1 and Shift 2, physics was actually a little bit tough. It was not very tough. I don't say it's too tough, but it's a little bit tough. Physics section turned out to be a little bit tougher section in today's exam. And also when it comes to chemistry, both in morning and afternoon shifts, both in Shift 1 and Shift 2, the difficulty level remained moderate only. There was no change, and some students even reported chemistry as easy also. And when it comes to mathematics was moderate in both shifts, but the difficulty level but the paper was time consuming and lengthy. Many students were not able to answer all 160 questions in 3 hours. Like some only a few students whoever responded to us said that they were able to answer all the questions, all 160 questions from 3 sections, but some students reported that they were unable to answer all 160 questions. And from mathematics today, we reported that both in Shift 1 and Shift 2, there were 3 to 4 questions from IPE. Specifically in mathematics, there were actually 3 to 4 sums or questions from IPE, which it's a very decent weightage, I can say, because 4 questions is more than, it's like 4 marks, very important also. And when it comes to chapter and topic wise analysis, starting with mathematics, today both in Shift 1 and Shift 2, coordinate geometry, algebra, calculus had very decent weightage. These 3 chapters dominated the question paper. And when it comes to physics, semiconductors, thermodynamics, mechanics chapter, whole mechanics part had very decent weightage. Almost 12 to 15 percentage of questions were from mechanics, so which is a very decent weightage. And thermodynamics had 3 questions from both Shift 1 and Shift 2, and there were also questions from waves, laws of motion, etc. And from chemistry, if you say Shift 1, organic chemistry dominated the question paper with maximum number of questions. But when it comes to Shift 2, again it was a balanced paper. Both organic, inorganic and physical chemistry had very decent weightage. As far as the feedback so far we received, in Shift 2, there were no questions from deleted syllabus as per the feedback we received. But some students reported that there were at least two questions from deleted syllabus. And students must note that from chemistry part, polymers chapter was entirely deleted. If you find any questions from polymers in chemistry, then these questions were from deleted syllabus only. But we don't know whether APSCHE will provide marks to this marks to the questions from deleted syllabus or not. We need to wait for few more days to get a clarity on the same. So let's join tomorrow in the live session for 24th Shift 1 and Shift 2 analysis. All the best to all the students appearing for tomorrow's exam. If you had appeared for exam, please do share your feedback in the comment section below, so that it will be helpful for other students whoever appearing for exam in the upcoming 4 shifts. Stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on AP MSET, and you can download the PDF of memory based questions from the link available in the description. Thank you.